Nah, I did it. I'm heading out. Let's go back and see those 3 Snoop Dogs. Ah, shit. Okay, can I... please let me teleport. Yeah. Haha, yeah.
Hey.
You dude it, Merc.
Huh. Do you know the human body?
Shush. I need to sell stuff. Okay, I just sold bobby pins? No.
Good hunting.
Stay blowing crap up, be back later. No worries, drunk drifter. You have a good day, man. Cheers for watching, dude.
The
Alright.
second chapter is going to be a bit trickier, I think. It'll cover how to handle creatures out there, for better or worse. For example, repelling mole rats, learning about mirelurks, and when all else fails, how to handle being injured. So let's buckle down and get to work on this chapter. What's first?
My armor needs repairing? Oh shit.
Mole rats can burrow into almost anything and cause a lot of trouble. So I figured I'd make a chemical repellent stick for people to shoo them off. But I need it to be tested before I put the recipe to paper in the guide. So I need you to find some mole rats and test it out a bit.
She never...
It'll be easy.
She never
One
looks
tap
as
with the
happy as she
applicator
sounds.
and it overwhelms their senses with a sort of feel-bad sensation. Then they're gone before you know it. You could test it out on just a few mole ratties, but for real testing, try it on 10 or more. There should be plenty in the tepid sewers downtown.
Okay. I have to
Come
go.
back.
Now, how do you get them to get their money back? Do you, like, leave? Hello, it's me. Hello, is it me you're looking for? That Lionel Richie song. Good tripper. Gray, you're missing the hashtag wrecked. Hey, your armor lol. Okay. Can she do that?
What's
Okay, let's save it.
take it?
Go away, Billy.
Oh, I can't wait to hear.
Ah, it worked!
Finally, mankind will have a way to shoo away those annoying pests without resorting to cruelty or violence. I'll
Standing
just
in
take that
one
back to my
place for
final
24
studies.
hours and no one
Oh,
notices
but
anything.
Here, I've
Nice,
got
Gray.
lots of leftover chems from the testing. Maybe some
No
of them are your
dramatic
style?
entrance this time. I lost karma. 3 jets added. 3 psychos. Repellent stick removed. I'm ready for more research on the second chapter.
There's a lot we don't know about mirelurks
Really
and
noticed?
how intelligent and
Yeah,
dangerous
you
they
did.
are. That definitely deserves research. I hesitate to ask, but I'll need to examine the effects of serious physical trauma. I wouldn't ask if I couldn't fix you up afterwards, of course. And that should be it for the second chapter. Which do you want to check out? Well, I never get to study anyone who's severely injured. Not without them crying to be fixed right away or trying to bleed out and all that. But obviously, you can handle a lot of abuse. So if I'm ever going to find a good example of human anatomy and injury resistance, it'd be you. Next time you get badly injured, return
She's
here
crazy.
so I can examine you before I heal you up. I mean, you're going to get yourself hurt anyway, right? Wow, what a great research assistant you are.
Jesus.
I mean, really, that's dedication. Demonstrating how to withstand pain by getting injured? Wow. When you're ready, come back here with some serious injuries. Maybe a crippled limb or two, and I'll take notes and fix you up. I'll be waiting here with plenty of bandages for you, so don't worry. Just go get horribly injured.
Can handle a lot
oh,
of
and be
abuse.
careful.
Yeah. She's got no caps. How do you get him to get caps back? Wow, stim packs cost a lot. Okay. He's a fucking freak. Do that submachine gun. Can you talk to someone normal, please? Pretty please? I'd stay away from her if I were you. Okay. Fun to badass. Nice, man. Yeah, yeah.
Good hunting. You've got...
Okay. Wow. This shit costs a lot to repair. Okay. Done. I think it's 15, dude. 15 or 16. Alright, I have to
See
go.
ya.
Yeah, I'll shoot ya. Yeah.
Yes, that's locked. And yes, I can see you.
What?
Well, how do you feel?
Better be.
Well, lucky for you that I am. At least, pretty good. Good enough to fix
I
this
don't
up,
know how I've
at
just
least.
done it. Now let's
You
jump
wouldn't
off
happen to
somewhere
have a
really
broken
high, you
limb,
know, for
would you?
science.
No?
You monster.
Well, never mind. Now, can you describe how you feel?
Did a dance on my spine in steel boots. The trauma and severe lacerations is hardly pleasant.
Sounds like you know your way around a med kit. You could probably take care of yourself if I wasn't already here. Of course, since I am here, I might as well take care of you now. It's the least I could do.
I ain't.
Ugh. How can
Oh,
you be
you were
walking
already
around
there.
like this? No mess, no problem. Well, a bit of a mess, but no problem regardless. Here, you know, for the next time you get hurt and I'm not around.
Please give me stim medexes.
Yes, knowing more about them can help people learn to avoid or even outsmart them. So I picked up this observer device to study them in their natural habitat. I need you to hide one in one of the spawning pods in their lairs. That's great. I recommend the nest at the Anchorage War Memorial. I knew a trader who talked about the Mirelurks down there.
The Mirelurks.
Just go inside and find one of their spawning pods, probably down near the water. Put this observer inside and get out quietly.
Pods?
And be sure not to kill any Mirelurks inside their nest. If you do, it could ruin the validity of the study.
Oh, I can't do that one easy.
Remember, I'll buy whatever you're selling.
I remember stealthing this level so easy. Really?
I got my eye on you.
Looks like I'm kissing him. That's just weird.
Can I do for you, Daddy-O?
When is the vote for the next game? Saturday. Voting's every Saturday. It's gonna be either at the start of the stream or at the end. And the game that is voted for will be played next. That's how we do. You'll buy whatever I'm selling. What if I'm selling poo?
Hey there,
And
little Maggie.
Tempy, I'm almost falling here, so
Howdy,
excuse me. That's all good heavy hits. No stress, man. You've done like nearly 24 hours or some shit. It's crazy. That is weird, but I will keep doing it anyways. Keep doing what? What's weird?
What's happening?
Okay, so... Alright. Goodbye guys, and all of you have a good one. You too, man. Get some rest, dude. It's crazy. Tempe starts and ends tough for me. Maybe you should create some sort of poll and have it roll on Saturday. Yeah, like I can just use straw poll.
Yeah.
Alright, how do I get out of here? This way. Oh, the kissing said it was weird, but you carried on doing it. Yeah, it kind of was a bit weird. But yeah, my kind of goal is to like have you guys vote for the next game, sort of thing. Games that I own at the moment until I start getting a bit more money or something towards new games. And yeah, you choose the game options for us to vote on. No, the game options pretty well. It is a good idea, but I don't know.
Oh, come on, pay more attention.
I'll
to
have
what
to
you're
like
doing.
think of it a bit more. Think into it a bit more.
Welcome, welcome.
Get a buy.
Have a look. See if anything calls out to you.
Holy shit, combat armor. Damn! I'm buying that. Usually every game I play, Kalari, if it's a game like this, it's going to be on the hardest difficulty. If the game has a difficult setting, it will be the hardest difficulty. But apart from that, like other options, I'm not 100% sure of. So... Wait.
Thanks. If the clothes make the man, then here are the means to remake yourself.